Hello guys. So it's almost 2 a.m. here. So I want to take this trade. I want to buy crash 500. I heard some people says it's risky. It's not good to trade crash, right? It's not good to trade crash, but I want to trade crash. It's not advisable to go against spike on crash or boom, right? So right now I want to trade against the spike on crash and boom. Let's see what's going to happen. So let me quickly show you guys my reason for this trade. I think I should delete this already. So you can see crash 500 right here. If you move to even on the weekly time frame, you can see we have a massive rejection on the weekly time frame, which shows that market has been going down for a very long time. The market will want to reverse from that point and start going up. And even on the daily, you can see market started pushing up. So at least I know that market will be getting to this point, at least right around that level. Okay, let's keep it here, somewhere right there. Market will be pushing to that level from today. So though there was a long rejection here on the daily time frame, yesterday candlestick rejected so much. Okay, there was a massive rejection here, but still see market creating something like a middle bottom around this level and start pushing up to this other side of the resistance. Okay, so but from this level here, I'll be targeting to take profit around this level. Okay, so here also you can see market has been reversing around this place. This makes that level a support, a strong support. Okay, then we move down to 4 hours chart. Yes, our 4 hours chart. On the 4 hours chart, you can see the previous 4 hours had a very printed a strong rejection candlestick. A strong rejection candlestick around here. So that shows that this bearish weakness. Okay, we no longer have strong bearish momentum anymore. Right? So market might be changing, pushing from that here up to this other side of the resistance. Okay, so that's the target. Now we had support. Remember support here, and on the 4 hours time frame we have a long rejection, which is this red candlestick, and that's a doji candlestick. The tiny red candlestick. This is a doji candlestick. All right, with a strong rejection. You can see the first candlestick that almost touched the line rejected, and the last candlestick rejected before this current candlestick now. So I'll be looking to buy crash 500, going against the spikes, trade against the spikes. So on the 2 hours chart, you can see we have more rejections too. If you follow my channel, you know that I give you guys the insight. Like, I don't hide anything from anybody. I always show you guys everything you need to know about trading. So if you follow my channel, if you subscribe to this channel, hit on the post notification bell. Trust me, whenever I drop a post, you'll be the first to watch and learn. All my contents are really, really informative and educative. So I advise you guys to subscribe to this channel, like and drop some good comments. Join the free Telegram channel by checking the description of this very video, and join the free Telegram channel if you want to chat me up for any of my services. I provide signals, account management, and mentorship. All right, and mentorship. I'll mentor you on how to become successful in trading. Okay, so yeah, if you join my platform, you know we are doing nice stuff there. Nice stuff. No scamming here. Okay, so like I said, my target is up to this point right now. We can see more rejections on the let me open a position already. I would have opened a position right there. Okay, so I'll open one lot size here, just one lot size right there. My SL down here below the support line with minus $18, call it minus $19, and my TP up to this point, make at least $60, $65. That's not a bad stuff. So I'll be going to bed while this trade will be running. Okay, so right, so just one lot size right there. One lot size right there. One lot size right there, guys. Okay, so you can see rejections. We have some rejections on. We have some rejections on the 4 hours chart and also on the 1 hour chart, even on the 2 hours chart. See on the 1 hour chart, this 1 hour chart, we have so many rejections. We have the first and the second, and you can see this one closed with a dragonfly, or we call it kangaroo tail. Okay, you can see that's a kangaroo tail candlestick. That's what I know it for. So market will be pushing up to this other side of the resistance. Okay, now again, if I zoom out, you see that there's something like a trend here. There's something like a trend here that got broken. There's a trend there that got broken. The market came back to retest that level. Okay, you can see that, right? So it got broken, the market came back to retest that zone. Now we are in an uptrend as we speak, because we can see market creating the waves to the upside. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. Market are about to create another higher high that gonna be a bit higher than this very high, but at least we are targeting this zone. So we are in a buy on crash 500, guys. That's simple, very simple, very, very simple, guys. Just what I showed you now, though there are some other things you need to learn. If you join the classes, you'll learn so much about how to analyze the market. It's not that hard. It's not very hard, okay? It's not very hard. I think I should give my people this signal too. All right, so on this account now, this is a $200 account I'm using to show you guys this stuff. Let's see what's gonna happen. $245. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'll share this account again, or this trade again setup for you guys to see what happened if we lose. If we made money, I'll show you guys. If we didn't, I'll still show you guys to confirm, to see the transparency. Okay, yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it. Show some love, guys. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop some good comments, share this video for someone else to learn what you've learned now. So what I just taught you now, what you just learned from this video now, you need to go and put into practice this over and over. You get to understand. It's as simple as that. Okay, so you just need to know a few stuff to this and you're good. So join the academy. The academy is open. Join the academy, learn from others. Somebody used a $20 accounts and made over $140 in just is it 2-3 days? Yeah. See, so it's not about having big equity, it's about knowing what you're doing. If you're in the right place, right location, like with my VIP, you'll be making good money. Trust me, I'm not joking. Okay, so that's it, guys. That'll be all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.